animal, guys. This is allosaurus, guys. Wow, you can see, guys. Ooh, yo 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 yo. It's awesome animal. Guys, we are back. We're gonna looking for the toys again, guys. We so cool. Wow, please, it's already in front of us, guys. Wow, so exciting, guys. Let's hunting for toys, guys. Wow, wow, this is fancy, guys. Wow, on top on fancy live is toys, guys. Wow, what's this, guys? Oh, this is the blue color. Oh, this is fish, guys. You can see, guys. We look. This is marlin fish, guys. Oh, look, 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 look. So cute fish, right? We yeah. Let's collect it, guys. Okay, guys. Next, guys. Wow, fancy life. On the top, there is lot of toys, guys. Wow, I'm happy to collect it all, guys. Whoa, guys, look. This is the animal, guys. This is allosaurus, guys. Wow, you can see, guys. Ooh, yo, 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 yo. Awesome animal. And then this is Stegosaurus, guys. Ooh, look, guys. Awesome, right? Yeah, let's put it in. Okay, next. Wow, so exciting. Another toys, guys. Wow, this is a mask, guys. See, guys, this is mask of Thanos, guys. You can see, guys. Oh, purple. Ooh, it's powerful, but it's not nice. Let's collect it, guys. The mask of Thanos, guys. And then this, guys. This is the green ones. Looks like the leaf here, guys. We color almost the same. Green one. This is mask of Hulk, guys. Can you see, guys? Ooh, Hulk. Green, big, strong. We powerful. Oh, so cool. Let's collect it, guys. Collect it. Wow, let's find more, guys. Ooh, so exciting. Wow, this is the red one, guys. Oh, this is superhero. We call it Ultraman, guys. See, guys? Wow, Ultraman. Yo, it's awesome, guys. Let's put it in, guys. Okay, guys. Find more, guys. See, guys. Oh, this is, guys. Look, guys. Wow, this is helicopter, guys. Wow, so cool toys, guys. Look. Ooh, looks like real, yeah. Whoa, this combat helicopter, guys. Can you see, guys? Wow, so big, awesome helicopter, guys. Wow, way, so cool, guys. We already collected all the toys, guys. Yo, I think we already collected all the toys on top of Finn's life, guys. Fancy life, guys. Whoa. Look, so long fancy life, yeah, guys. Wow, wow, guys. I think we'll leave behind this another toys, guys. This is zebra, guys. The animal. Wow, so fast when they run. We so cool. Hey. Okay, guys. I think we already covered all the toys, guys. Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, ya, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Will be more fun, guys. Bye bye, guys.